Hi everyone, I'm back again. This is Fergie's Kitchen, round 2. Today we're making some chicken foot and chicken back soup straight from yard. So here we go on. Remember the other day when I made the air fried chicken? I have the back of the chicken left over. So I use the back of the chicken now with some steppers. So this is going in another pot here now. So the steppers them there. Them a walk around in another pot. Yeah. So I'm gonna put 2 pimento seed. 2 pimento seed in that. I make it go and cook a little bit. Because you know what? I give it about half an hour. And then I put in the chicken back. Because the chicken foot cook before the back. So you have to make that cook a little bit before you put in the back. And then see what I work with that, so. It's my turnip, my chocho, my carrots, scallion. And this is a scallion cousin. Mama never used to use celery, I'm not gonna lie. This is me, all me. So I find some little potato in the fridge, so I'm gonna just use them and garlic and pepper. So I get a nice pumpkin from down a Yaya market. Yaya market down from La Brea. Big up Yaya. But don't know why Yaya give me that big piece of yam here. I asked Yaya to give me half of the yam, and when I reach out, my sister the whole yam in the bag. But I try to work with. And a potato. So my chicken no-go, yeah. 2 seasons mama never use when me use. And a Galangal and Cardamom. Indian season. Them season are good for you, only for health benefit. So I put little of my thing in it. Plus mama thing with our Maggie all purpose. And some salt and black pepper. And some whole wheat flour there. So these are the ingredients for today. So we'll come right back when the thing turn up, alright? Straight from yard. See you soon, Fergie's Kitchen. So I'm good up people in my yard, you know, so I heard here today. Yeah? Here in the States we say chicken feet. But you don't know how we do a thing, a chicken foot we say. Alright. So over here so now. So we're going over here so. Chicken foot and the chicken back. And I just boil some pumpkin in it. So now I'm going to add my vegetable that I'm going to cut up. So we'll work right here so now. Look at the turnip and the chocho and the celery. Hey, you know, woman never tell me when we grew up in Jamaica, woman never tell us how could I eat chocho right now. When you know the chocho, the health benefit in the chocho is tremendous. It is a fruit, not a vegetable. And it tastes good, more like cucumber. When we start eating more chocho. Alright? So I'll put in some vegetable now. Chocho, turnip, celery. Yeah. I'm putting some cut up pumpkin now and carrot and Irish potato. Alright. We will make this go and boil now. See the color change already. But you know you're not going to get the full effect of the color until we put in the pumpkin where we boil and mash out. You know what we do with thing? Yeah? So make that go and boil and ting and then, you know, we're going to come down to the seasoning when time we're done. Make this boil for another 10-15 minutes and then I add in my season them. I saw the thing set and my soup come back again. Alright, my nice and lovely people. So I just put in my chicken noodle soup. chicken noodle. Just put that in. So now I'm going to put in my crushed pumpkin. I want to tell you, so I'm put in my yam and my dumpling already. I never get to see that part down. I missed that step there. So I get in my pumpkin and my thyme. So the soup rich, like a rich man living on a hilltop. Rich. A rich man too, I want to you. A rich man living on a hilltop. A beach view, we say. So now I'm going to put in my liquor. Liquor season them. Me leave the salt for last because through salt in the chicken noodle and salt in the Maggie, you have to be careful with the salt. I want to tell some people to high blood pressure, so you have to be careful. For all the people that have high blood pressure. I'm going to put in my cardamom now. It's kind of spicy. It gives it a great spice taste. Especially when we can't get the scotch bonnet pepper. We just crush it. Like way that crushed pimento when you season up your meat. And just drop a few in it. Get my teaspoon. Just put in like a quarter. And a galangal. Quarter teaspoon. This actually is celery. Celery seed. Let's put in a little, a quarter. And my black pepper. All I need is a half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm a Maggie now. This now. I'm not gonna lie, I can't tell you how much I use. Because I have to taste it like a bit. But it's more like a, I would say a tablespoon. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a teaspoon and put in a teaspoon first and see how it tastes. I want to make my taste pot, you know, because I don't really taste pot. I just cook pot. Did I take a little bit more? So what I say, a tablespoon. A Maggie. And it's just, that's a quarter of sea salt I use. Don't have in the scallion and the thyme and onion and everything. So right now this is the last touch. You see me? I can't even tell her no. I can't even tell her no. All I can say, I wish another day. I eat by myself, you see. Tell me alone. Daughter there with me. So there we have it. Here's our seasoning. There's our seasoning. Sea salt, cardamom, galangal, Maggie, celery seed, and black pepper. So I'm gonna just drop piece of parsley in it. I don't miss this, you know, this make it nice and pretty. See it there? And that I will cook down now with the season a little bit, maybe another 10 minutes. And we're done. And the thing ready. Gauge the fire, make it too high. Soon. So my nice and lovely Jamaicans, here is my finished chicken foot, chicken back soup. See the color rich and nice. And here one now. Make a glass of water with some fruits now because you know we don't drink the soup or we're thirsty. So we have to go drink a whole heap of water. But I have one more thing for you guys. The scripture of the day. All the joy of those who delight in the law of the Lord. They are like trees planted along the riverbank. Psalms 1, verse 1 to 3. You know what happened to the plant we plant at the riverbank, right? It get all of the water so it keep fresh and green. Keep yourself green, my green friend. Yeah, and go and grow. And so we here, subscribe, like, share, and comment.